हेलो फ्रेंड्स, एसेट्स की क्लासिफिकेशन पे ये वीडियो है। देखते हैं हमारे पास एसेट्स की क्लासिफिकेशन क्या है, राइट। तो पहले समझते हैं एसेट्स का मतलब क्या है। एसेट्स की मीनिंग आप लिख सकते हैं, मैंने यहां पर लिखा नहीं है। एसेट्स आर द रिसोर्सेज जनरेटेड बाय द एंटिटी या एक्वायर्ड बाय द एंटिटी और परचेज बाय द एंटिटी फॉर जनरेटिंग द रेवेन्यू, राइट। तो एसेट्स आर द रिसोर्सेज held by the entity, purchased by the entity for generating the revenue, right? Okay. So basically we have two types of assets, tangible and intangible. Tangible में further classification है non current and current. तो इसको सिंपल लैंग्वेज में मैं बताऊं तो नॉन करंट का मतलब है जो आपके पास बिजनेस में एटलीस्ट 12 मंथ के लिए है, मींस यू विल होल्ड दैट एसेट्स एटलीस्ट फॉर 12 मंथ और योर ऑपरेटिंग साइकिल, जो भी आपका ऑपरेटिंग साइकिल है, में भी 12 मंथ 15 मंथ। करंट एसेट मंथ्स 12 मंथ के अंदर, विद इन 12 मंथ, आई कैन से विद इन 12 मंथ आपके एसेट्स में फ्लक्चुएशन आ जाती है, वो किसी और एसेट में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैश बैलेंस, पहले हम करंट एसेट देखते हैं। करंट मींस दैट विल फ्लक्चुएट विद इन अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। कैश बैलेंस, मेरे पास आज 1000 रुपीज है, it may comes to 10,000, it may goes to 20,000, 15,000. So these are current assets. So what are the example of current assets? Cash, bank balance, stock. Stock is also called inventory, right? Inventory are of 3 types: raw material, work in progress, and finished goods. So stock are also current asset because they always change its position. Prepaid expenses. What are prepaid? Prepaid means any expense which you have paid before its maturity, before its due date. For example, I have paid electricity bill in advance. That expense is called as prepaid, right? Debtors. What is debtors? Debtor means simple, the person who will pay to us. For example, we always sell the goods, and normally in business, always we sell goods. Normally we sell the goods on credit basis. So the person who have purchased goods for us and will pay in future, that is called debtor. Bill receivable is kind of debtors, but it's a document that evidencing that that person will pay us. So that document is called bill receivable. That is also as a bill receivable. That is also a debtor, but another form of assets, right? Bill receivable, debtors. Clear? Current assets. Non-current में देखते हैं. Current, non-current. Non-current are further of two classifications: fixed assets and capital work in progress. What is fixed? Fixed assets is of like building, land, furniture, machinery, computer, equipment, and motor vehicle. These are the assets as a fix. Okay. Now capital work in progress. Capital work in progress. These are the assets, but you can say that are under development. जो भी कंस्ट्रक्ट हो रही है, जो अभी डेवलपमेंट के फेज में है, अभी वो वर्किंग कंडीशन में नहीं है, लाइक बिल्डिंग इज ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन पीरियड, ठीक है, दैट इज कैपिटल वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस. नाउ कम्स टू द इंटेंजिबल एसेट. इंटेंजिबल मींस that cannot be touched, that can only be feel, right? For example, building, land, machinery, we can touch, we can hold it, but intangibles are like you can feel, you can easily say that entity is enjoying that assets. That is example are goodwill, trademark, know-how, copyright, patent, and software. Goodwill is normally the benefit you are enjoying in the market. Trademark is something that you have enrolled that no other one can copy you. That is, it may be a logo, it may be a design, it may be a copyright. Know-how is something, a knowledge that only you enjoy. That is for example, pharmacy company having some formula of making a medicine, so it always have a know-how how to make that. Okay, it is always shared by the competitor also. Patent, you have a sole right, same patent. Software, you know. Now intangible assets under development. जिस तरीके से हमारे पास नॉन करंट में कैपिटल वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस है, दैट इज अंडर डेवलपमेंट, so these are also में अंडर डेवलपमेंट फेज. So this is also called intangible asset under development. ठीक है, तो this is the classification of the assets: tangible, intangible, tangible further non-current and current, non-current further fixed assets and capital work in progress, intangible of two, that is fixed and that is intangible, matlab under development and this is developed. Okay, this is video only for the class 11th level or for the e-accounting courses who may be a non-commerce students. I hope you enjoyed that video, you have gained something. Thank you so much.